In this video, I will show how Solidise can be used as a browser-based file explorer for SolidWorks projects. When working with large CAD folders, it can take time to understand what is inside a project. You may need to search through Windows folders, open assemblies in SolidWorks, check related drawings, and inspect file details just to answer a simple question. Solidise helps make this faster by indexing selected folders locally and making the project structure available in a browser workspace. Solidise File Explorer views also have filterable headers. I can filter the view to show only parts, assemblies, or drawings. I can also filter by custom properties from the SolidWorks files, such as part number, description, material, revision, or other properties used by the team. This makes it much faster to find the right files without manually browsing through the full project folder. The File Explorer columns are also fully customizable. I can sort the table alphabetically, move columns from left to right, and choose which columns should be visible. If a column is not needed, I can remove it. If I need more information, I can add additional columns. The column data comes from the scanned SolidWorks parts and assemblies. Once those properties are indexed and stored in the Solidise database, they can be added as columns in different table views. This makes the workspace flexible, because each team can organize the File Explorer around the information they actually use, such as part number, description, material, revision, project, or any other available custom property. That is a quick overview of the Solidise File Explorer workflow. Instead of opening SolidWorks just to understand what is inside a project, you can browse indexed folders, inspect assemblies, filter files, customize columns, and jump into related workflows directly from the browser. This can also be useful for procurement and other non-CAD users. If an engineer shares the Solidise database, they can access indexed part and assembly information without needing SolidWorks installed. We will cover this in another video. This helps the wider team find information faster, review project structure more easily, and reduce the back and forth usually needed to answer simple CAD-related questions.